Talk
Were
to
you
Daddy.
asleep? Were you sleeping like a man, huh? Talk to me. Say hi.
He's just looking around now. Silly boy.
Say hello.
What are you looking that way for now?
I'm over here.
There he is. Tell Daddy hi. He just smiled for you. Yeah.
Hey, you.
Yeah.
Hey, man voice. You sound so bluff. I love you. Brody. My B-boy. Mwah. Give Daddy good lovies.
Good laughy.
Give me good lovies. Oh, you're so nice to Daddy. Big boy.
Can you talk some more? Talk to Daddy. There he is.
I love you, Brody. Tomorrow night I'll call. Your sister fell asleep early. Oh, hey, do you want to say hi? What's your sleep? Hey. Hi, Brody.
Hi, Chloe. Yes, Bubba. Having fun. Chloe. I love you.
He's trying to eat the phone now. He's giving you kisses.
I love you.
Oh, you can't chew on it, silly.
You're probably hungry, huh? We'll let you eat your man food.
Okay.
I love you, baby.
They love you too.
I'll text you tomorrow. Sleep good tonight.
He smiled for that.
I'll call.
All right. Bye.